Hey guys, we're just going to install our basket wall in our spare bedroom. So we've been shopping around for the past couple of months trying to find baskets for on our wall. So we ended up getting them from Freedom Furniture, H&M Home, Kmart, Junk and Disorderly and Farmers. So we've got 6 we're going to put up on the wall today.
It's a really good range we've got. We've got some big ones, some white and brown ones, and just some natural coloured ones. So we really wanted to go with a vibe that was natural in this room because the walls are grey. So styling with a natural colour scheme was really important to us. In this room we wanted to make it a bit like a desert theme in here.
So we're going to show you guys how we install the baskets on the wall. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're going to give it a go.
So we have started with these command hooks here. They're a really decent size for this job, and we'll be able to hold all the baskets up. I mean, the baskets aren't heavy, and some of them are flat and some of them are rounded as well, so it's no big deal. We got these from Briscoe's. $6.99. If you're in New Zealand, it's probably backwards anyway. But yeah, I imagine any hardware store or home and living store should have these things. Okay, so we're going to start by, Georgia will be up there. Georgia hasn't got the straightest eye in the world, so I'm going to be observing from the back here, and Georgia's going to be hanging them up. Where should we start? In the middle and work our way out. It depends. If you want the baskets going from the left, that could look quite nice, but we want ours to be like, because this bed hasn't got a headboard, so we want it to be a bit of a feature behind there. Cool, let's get started. I got some really good advice from one of our Instagram followers to sew a little hook in behind here. That would work if you didn't have like that rattan sort of vibe, the weaving, because this one here we can literally just hook this hook in one of these weaves, so it's ideal. So I laid all the baskets on the floor before we started. There's no particular order in terms of what looks good and what doesn't look good, so we're just freestyling it by eye. If something doesn't work, we can easily just remove it because these are removable hooks, and because it's not built into the wall as well, or the baskets, it's very easy to remove and replace. It was a really easy project, guys, and really cost effective. This whole wall would have cost us maybe $40. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be uploading a lot of videos with DIY